Hello friends, this is the lecture 3 of trigonometric function. Myself T. V. Patil at of GP Patil Junior College, Kodavam. In the last lecture we have seen that the general solution of sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Now we shall see the general solution of cos theta is equal to cos alpha is theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where n is an integer. Proof: as cos theta is equal to cos alpha, so one of the alpha is a solution, and also we know that cos of minus alpha is equal to alpha for any radian angle alpha, so minus alpha is also solution. And using periodicity, we know that cos theta is same as cos alpha given, and cos alpha is same as after one complete rotation alpha plus 2 pi is same, after again one complete rotation alpha plus 4 pi is same as. And similarly we can write on replacing by alpha minus alpha, we get here, and therefore cos theta is equal to cos alpha if and only if theta is equal to alpha 2 pi plus alpha 4 pi plus alpha 6 pi plus alpha and so on, and or alpha is equal theta is equal to minus alpha 2 pi minus alpha 4 pi minus alpha and so on, and we get here, and we can generate all the solutions by this formula theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. This is the general solution. Now using this diagram one can easily known here. Now we see the example. Find the general solution of cos theta is equal to 0. Given that cos theta is equal to 0, and we know that cos pi by 2 is a 0, therefore cos theta is equal to cos pi by 2. Then by above theorem we get here, now only replace by alpha by pi by 2, and we get the general solution of this example. Only put the right given equation in cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then again write alpha replaced by that, and therefore one can write this solution as form theta is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2 or 2n minus 1 pi by 2. Only just pi is common and plus and minus sign write separate here. Now second example, find the general solution of cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is same as cos pi by 4, and again write in theorem alpha is equal to pi by 4, and we get here general solution. Now cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2, that means cos of minus pi by 3, since cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2, and in the second quadrant cosine angle is negative, therefore cos pi minus a is equal to minus cos a. Using this formula we can write as it is, and we get here cos theta is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. And now again by theorem put alpha in place, replace alpha by 2 pi by 3, and we get the general solution. It is very simple using the formula. Now next example, sec theta plus root 2. First write convert this equation into the form of cos theta is equal to cos alpha in this way. Because of cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2, and 1 by root 2 is same as cos pi by 4, and we get here cos of pi minus pi by 4, and using this equation we can write cos of pi minus pi by 4, and cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2, and we get here cos theta is equal to cos 3 pi by 4, and again this is an equation in cos theta is equal to cos alpha, and we get here general solution. Only just replace by alpha by 3 pi by 4. Next question, similar example, cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Only just write cos theta is equal to cos pi by minus of cos pi by 4, and in the second quadrant cos of pi minus pi by 4, that means cos of 3 pi by 4, and that is equal to, this is the general solution by replacing only just by theta by 3 pi by 4, and on dividing 2 this we get here theta is equal to n pi plus or minus 3 pi by 8. This is the solution. Find the general solution of cos 3 theta is equal to cos 2 theta. First we will write here cos 3 theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Take cos 2 theta in on the left hand side, and by using this formula cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 times sin c plus d divided by 2 into sin c minus d divided by 2. Using this formula we get here, and therefore this is equal to, and here we use here the general solution of sin theta is equal to 0, and therefore phi theta by d is equal to n pi and theta by 2 is equal to n pi, and therefore this is the required general solution. Another method for that, only just write a formula cos theta is equal to cos alpha is theta is equal to 2 n pi plus or minus alpha. We know that the general solution of cos 3 theta is equal to cos 2 theta is 3 theta is equal to 2 n pi plus or minus alpha. Divide 3 on that side, sorry, take separate a plus minus sign in this way. This is the general solution. Now the general solution of tan theta is equal to tan alpha is theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. We know that tan theta is equal to tan alpha if and only on multiplying cross multiplication we get take right hand side term on the left hand side we get, and write this is the formula on sin a minus b or sin alpha minus beta and write 0 in place of sin 0, write sin 0 or in place of sin 0, and we get here sin theta is equal to sin alpha formula general solution theta minus alpha is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into alpha, and alpha is here 0, and we get that theta minus alpha is equal to n pi, therefore theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. This is the general solution of tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Now we see some examples. General solution of tan theta is equal to 0. This is same as tan theta is equal to tan 0 because tan 0 is 0. Now by above theorem, the general solution of tan theta is equal to 0 is theta is equal to n pi. Next example, cot theta is equal to minus root 3. We get here tan theta is equal to minus 1 by root 3 is equal to tan of pi minus pi by 6, that is equal to tan of 5 pi by 6. This is the reason behind it, and we get here tan theta is equal to tan alpha, and by using the formula we can write cot theta is equal to n pi plus 5 pi by 6. This is the general solution. Now we see that tan theta is equal to root 3, general solution. This is very simple because tan pi by 3 is equal to root 3, and because of this formula we get a general solution theta is equal to n pi plus pi by 3. Now find the general solution of tan 3 theta is equal to minus 1. First we will write here tan 3 theta is equal to tan minus tan of pi by 4, and that is equal to tan of pi minus pi by 4, that is equal to tan of 3 pi by 4, and because of this formula we can write, and therefore we get here tan 3 theta is equal to tan 3 pi by 4, and we know that the formula for that equation tan theta is equal to tan alpha is theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, where n is an integer, and write only theta, replace theta by 3 theta and alpha by 3 pi by 4, and we get here 3 theta is equal to n pi plus 3 pi by 4. On dividing 3 on this equation, n pi by 3 plus pi by 4. On dividing 3, 3 get cancelled here, where n is an integer. Thank you.